Now in this video, let us look at how to interpret the coefficients. So y hat here is our estimated price of unleaded gasoline. Now b sub 0 usually does not have a good interpretation, so we leave that out. So b sub 1 is the slope coefficient associated with the crude oil price per gallon, price per barrel, 1 month lagged. And this is unemployment, this is the S&P, and this is personal disposable income. So how do you interpret these slope coefficients? And like in chapter 7, remember these slope coefficients are how much change in the y value that you can expect for a given change in the x value. So these slope coefficients are all in the same units as your y. So here y is price of unleaded gasoline per gallon. So these are all in some way price per gallon of unleaded gasoline. So that's what these are. So let's start with the first one. B sub 1 equal to 0.022. Okay, so that's our value of the slope coefficient. So this is the amount, so this is a plus value. So which means if the L1 crude goes up by 1 unit, y hat will go up by 0.022 units. Now L1 crude is price of crude oil in dollars. So a dollar increase in the crude oil, okay, 1 month lag. So which means in a given month, if the price of crude per barrel goes up by $1, okay, since this is lagged by 1, the price of unleaded gasoline the following month will change by that amount, or will go up by $0.022 per gallon. So that's how you should interpret. So a dollar increase in the price of the crude per barrel in a given month is estimated to increase the price of unleaded gasoline in the following month by $0.022 per gallon. And there is another caveat that is very important, and that is this interpretation is valid in so much as all other independent variables, all other x's remain exactly at the same value. They don't change. Only one variable changes at a given time by 1 unit. Now let's look at the second variable, which is L1 underscore unemp, and the slope coefficient is a negative value. So that means if unemp or unemployment rate goes up by 1, the price of gasoline will go down by that number because it is a minus value. So here is the slope coefficient. So if unemployment rate goes up by a percentage in a given month, the price per gallon of unleaded gasoline will go down by $0.164 the following month. So the a percentage point increase in the unemployment rate in a given month is estimated to result in a decrease in the price of unleaded gasoline in the following month by that amount per gallon. And again, the caveat, there is a very important caveat that you should add every time you do the interpretation, given the values of all other predictor variables, okay, remaining the same. Okay, next is we did this. Okay, now S&P, again this is a minus value, so that means if S&P goes up by 1 point, the price of gasoline will go down in the following month by that amount, given all other predictor variables remaining the same. So here is the value of the slope coefficient and the interpretation. So 1 point increase in the S&P index, okay, a given month, okay, is estimated to result in the decrease of the price of gasoline next month, the following month. Okay, then finally the disposable income, and this is a positive coefficient. So an increase in personal disposable income by $1 will result in a given month will result in the increase in the price of gasoline per gallon by that amount in the following month, given all other variables remaining the same. So here is the value of the coefficient, and the interpretation is right there.